Hi, I'm Lesley Logan, and let's do the final part of your leg series, the rolling in and out, the yummy massage.
Welcome to OnlinePilatesClasses.com, the most supportive Pilates-loving community across the globe. Enjoy new weekly classes from our amazing teachers. Download the OnlinePilatesClasses.com app today.
So you might not think of this as an exercise. I do. It is part of the leg series to me because it's not just like this thing where you kind of throw it away. It's actually really delicious, and it's part of like softening the back and kind of giving yourself permission to enjoy the work you just did. And so you probably would never just set up just for the rolling in and out. So you typically already be set up for it. And you can put this at the end of any exercise in the leg series. Okay. So you don't have to end with hip twist or frog to V or helicopter. You can end with bicycle and do rolling in and out after that. Also, if you want to then add in a shoulder bridge or a high bridge or a leg circles into the air before getting out of your rolling in and out, you can do that as well. So if you're looking at this from the OnlinePilatesClasses.com flashcard deck for the barrels, you'll see there's a long series and then there's a few other exercises. And those few other exercises you can kind of either add into the series and then end with rolling out, or you can do rolling in and out, then those before you dismount. I will show you the dismount off of rolling in and out, just in case you're not doing shoulder bridge, high bridge, or leg circles onto the head. All right, so here we go. Let's get into it. You want to be just shy of the apex, 1 foot on the step, 1 leg out. You slide onto your shoulders. Then you have finished whatever your last exercise is in for your series. Then probably you're in a frog, most likely, if you didn't, unless you just did hip twist. You bring those legs together and you start to draw circles with your knees on the ceiling, massaging your sacrum. You'll do a few in each direction, and you can get bigger and bigger provided you don't arch your back. And you can go 1 and then reverse direction. I kind of like to do 3 in one direction and then 3 in the other and get bigger with each one, but it's up to you. Now, the dismount, you can just lift the hips and slide the barrel out from underneath you, or a more advanced, more fun way to do it is to hold onto the barrel, lift the legs up, and then you reach the legs down, and then you kind of try to tease her up. And I'm going to do that again. It's a little hard to do it and talk at the same time, so here we go. Boom. Then you land on the top, you reach arms forward, teaser, right? Now, if you were going to do your shoulder bridge or your leg circles on the head, you would do that before dismounting, just something you can do to make it easier. But that is the end of the leg series. And so on the other videos, I showed you how I just slide the barrel out and let my legs drape onto the hump. And that gives you a nice little traction. Also, so you're like the blood settle in. So by the way, this teaser on top is not for everybody. It's definitely if you're like, I want more challenge in my practice versus I need a little bit more zen, right? It's up to you and what you need and what your practice is at the moment, okay? And every day that could be different, which dismount you do. If you have questions about that, feel free in the comments below. I go live on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific time answering those questions. If you'd like feedback on your form, accountability in your practice, make sure you're an OPC member. We also answer your questions every day in that members-only community. So go to onlinepilatesclasses.com/YouTube.